Hey everybody, it's Dr. McWilliams with McWilliams Vein Center. Flannel and t-shirt today because that's my other look. It's usually scrubs or flannel and a t-shirt. Sitting here doing what I do every winter, which is going through all my fishing tackle, driving everyone in the house crazy by leaving it everywhere. But it reminded me of something I wanted to tell everyone about. Last weekend, I went to the Chicago Fishing Show at the Schaumburg Convention Center. Met some great people, got to see some great products. But I went straight after work, so I was wearing my scrubs. Anytime you're wearing scrubs, people tend to ask what kind of work you do. When I tell them I'm a vein doctor, they pull up their pants legs and show me their veins, which is great. Love trying to help people out. But if you've ever been to one of these fishing shows, you know that the majority of the people there are men. So I saw about 4 different guys with terrible vein disease. Hopefully they're going to give me a call so I can help them and get their veins squared away for them. But the point is, vein disease affects men pretty frequently. You sometimes think of it as just a disease that affects women, but depending on the studies that you read, anywhere from 30% to 45% of the people who suffer from vein disease are men. So it's about 1/3, almost up to a half. When you figure that 40% of the US population will suffer from some form of vein disease in their lifetimes, and the population of the US right now is about 335 million people. When you do all that math, you end up with a lot of men suffer from vein disease. Now, men are more likely to get open sores and ulcers on their legs. They're more likely to get significant skin changes. They're more likely to get deep vein thrombosis, all as a result of their venous insufficiency or their vein disease. And the reason is men just don't get it treated as often. We don't go to the doctor as often. We don't think that this vein disease is significant. We don't really care as much about how it looks, so we just let it go until it's causing significant problems. If you catch it early, treat it, you don't have to suffer from some of those problems. So if you're looking to pick up some new lures, some soft plastics, check out the people at Biz Baits or Double Up Tackle Company. If you're in the Ohio area and you're looking to do some great walleye fishing, talk to my buddy Mario at Maui Tackle and Outfitters. But if you've got signs or symptoms of vein disease, give us a call at McWilliams Vein Center in Wheaton, Illinois, where you're treated like part of the family.